Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Personal Hotspot on your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. Make sure cellular data is active so your phone can share internet. This is why you keep an eye on your data plan. Once done, note the Wi-Fi name and password shown. You'll use them on the PC. You should also plug the phone into power if battery is low, because tethering drains battery faster. Now, switch to your PC to connect to the newly visible network. On your PC, open the Wi-Fi list and locate the iPhone SSID you noted earlier. Select it and choose Connect. Enter the hotspot password carefully. Use the Show Characters option to avoid typos, because a single wrong character blocks access. If Wi-Fi performance is unstable, make sure drivers are updated, or switch to USB tethering by connecting the phone with a lightning cable and selecting Trust on the iPhone. Bluetooth tethering is another alternative for low bandwidth tasks. Pair devices in Bluetooth settings and enable internet sharing. After connecting, verify the PC truly has internet. Open a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm latency and throughput. To keep the connection stable, close background apps on the iPhone that consume data, and keep the phone ventilated because tethering generates heat. If something goes wrong, first toggle the iPhone hotspot off and back on. If that doesn't work, forget the network on the PC and reconnect. As a final measure, reset network settings on the iPhone. This clears saved networks and often resolves stubborn tethering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.